Hey there today. We're diving into some exciting news about OnePlus's upcoming foldable phone, rumored to be named the OnePlus Open. Now, you know OnePlus has been making some killer smartphones, but it's time to talk foldables, folks. OnePlus is stepping into the foldable game, and it's about to get interesting. They may be late to the party, but they've got some tricks up their sleeve. First off, OnePlus has the advantage of learning from the best, thanks to its partner company, Oppo. They've been keeping a close eye on what Samsung, Motorola, and Google have been up to in the foldable world. Plus, rumor has it that OnePlus might sprinkle some of their OnePlus 11 magic into the mix. So, we're looking at a blend of innovation here. Speaking of surprises, OnePlus won't be alone in this race. The Google Pixel Fold and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 are gearing up too. It's going to be a showdown, folks. Now, about the price tag. Don't hold your breath for OnePlus Open to be as budget-friendly as the OnePlus 11. We're hearing it could be in the same ballpark as the Oppo Find N2, which goes for around $1,120. Still, let's hope it's worth every penny. Here's some good news though. Unlike Oppo, OnePlus has a presence in the US. So there's a good chance that the OnePlus Open will reach more markets. Fingers crossed. About the name, there was some confusion, but it seems like it's going to be the OnePlus Open, not the V Fold. We love a good mystery, right? Alright, let's talk specs. The OnePlus Open is rumored to have an 8-inch inner display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That's going to make for some slick folding action. And check this out. Leaked renders show a slick design with a full-screen cover display and a cool triple camera setup. Plus, that Hasselblad branding is there for the camera enthusiasts. Camera-wise, we're talking some serious firepower. 50-megapixel main, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel telephoto on the back. Selfie game strong too. In terms of specs, we're looking at a 2K display, possibly 7.8 inches inside and 6.3 inches outside. That's big, folks. And the pixel density? Off the charts. Under the hood, it's likely packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, top-notch performance right there. And don't forget the hefty 4,800 mAh battery with speedy 67W charging. No more battery anxiety. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep it techie.